Give meanings. Erupts, explodes or bursts out suddenly. Crust, a hard outer covering of something. Tremendous, very great in amount or level. Chunk, roughly cut lump. Dormant, not active. Extinct, not existing now. Disaster, great harm, damage or death or serious difficulty. Tsunami, an extremely large wave caused by an earthquake and movement of the earth under the sea. Collapse, to fall down suddenly because of pressure or lack of strength or support. Plume, a tall thin mass of smoke, dust or similar substance that rises up into the air. Visible, can be seen. Termite, a small white tropical insect which eats wood. Teeming with, full of. Affected, influenced to change. Draw a diagram to show a volcanic eruption from its description given in this passage. Label the diagram. Show the following in it: volcano, earth's crust, crack in the earth's crust, hot molten rock, red hot lava, smoke, ash, burning chunks of rock. Volcanic eruption diagram you have to draw in this way. Show the three categories of volcanoes using the following tree diagram structure. Write a very short description of each category below the box. Three categories of volcanoes are: active volcanoes, they erupt regularly. Dormant volcanoes, they are temporarily inactive or in deep sleep. Extinct volcanoes, they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in history. Show the stages in the process in which Krakatoa collapsed and then Anak Krakatoa formed in the course of volcanic eruptions. Use the flowchart given below. Eruption in 1883, island collapsed, two-thirds destroyed. Underwater volcano created, 1927, another eruption. Outflow of lava grows, mountain below sea, island above water. Draw a diagram to show how life returned to the island. Label the diagram. Use the technique of drawing diagrams when you study science, geography, etc. How life returns to Rakata. Wind, sea and birds brought seeds of plants. Aquatic plants and animals came to the coast. Small animals like ants, termites, rats, lizards traveled to the island on plants. Write short notes on the following. The 1883 eruption. This was the worst eruption took place in August 1883. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 km away in Australia. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man has ever heard. The highland, which was a volcanic mountain, collapsed on itself. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 km in the sky. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis in the sea near the island. About 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption and the tsunamis. The eruption destroyed two-thirds of the highland of Krakatoa. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underwater volcanic crater or hole. The hole was more than 6 km wide. The living world on Rakata. The living world on Rakata was not lost and gone forever. The wind and the sea brought seeds of plants to the island. Some seeds came with the birds who flew over the island. Plants and animals that live in the sea came to the coast again. Small land animals like ants, termites, or even rats and lizards traveled to the island on plants floating in the sea. One edge of the highland was soon teeming with plants and animals. Read the passage and find the verbs used with the following nouns and phrases: volcano, molten rock, volcanic mountain, dust, 165 villages and towns, the wind and the sea, seeds, birds. Noun volcano. Verbs of the noun volcano are erupts, is, as erupted, erupted. Noun molten rock. Verb of the noun molten rock is. Noun volcanic mountain. Verb of the volcanic mountain was. Noun dust. Verbs of the noun dust was thrown up. Nouns and phrases 165 villages and towns. Verbs of the nouns and phrases 165 villages and towns are were destroyed. Nouns and phrases the wind and the sea. Verb of the nouns and phrases of the wind and sea is brought. Noun seeds. Verb of the noun seeds is came. Noun birds. Verb of the noun birds are flew.